Hi there, just doing a quick video on these Glitter Girls doll sets. This one is called Elula, and she looks like this. Very cute. And this one is called Shimmer Glimmer. It's got a really cute dress, shoes, top, and they're pretty good value too. The smaller sets are $12. The dolls are $25, and their arms and legs are bendable as well. And the bigger type of kits, this one's called Creative Art Kit. They're $17. And I think the bigger sort of clothes kits are $17 as well. But how cute are some of these? The Glitter Girls accessories.